Good morning everyone, welcome to S&B Diaries. Today we're in Olden in Norway, coming to you from the waterfall and the glacier. So let's go and have a look round and see how we get on. Hi guys, we're here at the waterfall in Norway, in the village of Olden. Behind me you can hear the roar of the water there. Welcome to our first stop on the waterfall here in Norway. You can hear the sound of the white water. Well guys, we're here at the glacier. It's right here behind me, Bergenskog Glacier, nestled in between the mountains here, sat by this gorgeous lake. And that's the view, absolutely stunning, takes your breath away, it really does, gorgeous. Complete all the way around there. So a very popular coach stop here by the lake. Showing you the turquoise colour of that water there. The road sort of pans around the lake. And we got the hum of the lorry there in the background. So thanks for watching our little tour here in Olden in Norway. We hope you enjoyed seeing the waterfall and glacier here behind me. So that's bye from S&B Diaries for today, and hope to see you guys in the next one.